Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're going to be opening a MiniVerse Make It Mini Appliance Surprise Ball. So I purchased this ball at my local Walmart for $12.96. And I do believe that the picture tells you which appliance you are getting, and I really want this espresso machine. And I think there's 8 to collect, yes. So 8 total, and there's a picture of some of the other machines that you can collect. And the espresso machine also comes in another color. So there's a peachy pink also available. So let's get this open. And it looks like we get some accessories also. The first thing we have is the instructions, and I believe this is also a collector's guide. So let's open this up. So you get 3 pamphlets, and this one says read me first. This is the instructions to put it together. And I think these are the instructions in other languages. And this is the collector's guide. On the collector's guide, you can see all of the available appliances in this series. So it looks like there's really 4, and they just come in 2 different colors. And on the back of the collector's guide are some instructions for each individual machine on how to put the resin in and dispense your drink. You get a coaster, and it says made fresh, and it's in a retro style. And you get this container that has ice cubes on it. And if you flip it over, you can see that it has the resin and the spoons inside of this one. And it looks like we open it right here. So we have our whipped cream, our resin, and our 2 spoons. So here's one of the spoons, and they are a nice size. I think these will work with the Barbies. And you also get a tub of whipped cream. And you get dollops, looks like 2 dollops of whipped cream. And here's our coffee. It says Rise and Shine Coffee Company. And this is the resin that goes into the machine. And I will not be using this. It says mocha there on the side. Next, we have this pack. It's pink and says Espresso on it. And this has our cups and saucers. So you get 2 yellow saucers with white rims and 2 yellow coffee mugs, and they have a little handle on them. And these are pretty large for the dolls, but I still think it will work. I love the color on these. Next to the doll, it is a little large, but it kind of reminds me of a soup mug. And the last container has the espresso machine in it. Here's the machine out of the packaging, and the first thing I noticed is the color is not the same as on the packaging. So as you can see on the packaging, it is more of a teal blue, and this is lighter. This is closer to a green. But the machine does have a lot of detail on it. You can see on the top it says Espresso. You have all the controls and knobs on the front and on the side. You have H and C, I guess that's for hot and cold. And here you have your lever that dispenses your drink, a pedestal for your mug, and the little strainer at the bottom to catch any spillover. And if you want to use the resin with the machine, the top does open, and there is a place for the bottle to go in. But like I said, I'm not going to use the resin with mine. And this appliance definitely works with the Barbie dolls. I think it is a perfect size. If you have a coffee shop for your dolls, this will look so cute inside of it. And the coffee cup fits perfectly under the dispenser. Oh, that's good. This was just what I needed this morning. Tanya, have you tried this espresso yet? You might want to start running. I think this MiniVerse machine is really nice and is a good size for the dolls. I do wish the color was a little closer to what's on the packaging, but I think I can live with this color. So, my friends, let me know what you think about this MiniVerse machine and do you have any of the other ones? And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye bye.